Good morning and welcome to our class today. This morning we look at the break-even quantity or the break-even point, BEP, and the question says the fixed cost is given as 800,000, the selling price as 10 shillings per unit, and the variable cost per unit is given as 6 shillings. The question requires to get one, the break-even quantity, BEQ, in units. The second question, to get the break-even sales. And that question, the quantity to be sold in order to earn a profit of 200,000. In answer to this question, we first write Roman 1 and we get the formula for break-even point. Break-even point is that point where the total sales is equal to total cost, and therefore there is no profit. That point is given as F divided by S minus V. And then we also need to remember where F is a fixed cost and where S is a selling price per unit and where V is a variable cost per unit. So we can put our figures in the formula. The fixed cost, we are told, is 800,000 shillings. The S, or the selling price, is 10 shillings, and the variable cost is 6 shillings. Therefore, if I want to get the break-even point, I would say the fixed cost 800,000, then I divide by 10 shillings, that's the selling price, then minus the variable cost of 6 shillings. This gives me 800,000 divided by 4, then this gives me the break-even point to be 200,000 units. So if I sell 200,000 units, I will have broken even. I will break even at the point when I have sold 200,000 units, meaning there will be zero profit and there will be zero loss. That's when the total sales is equal to total costs. Right, the next question is the break-even sales. Once we have found the break-even quantity, now we are required to get the break-even sales. So Roman 2, the break-even sales. Break-even sales. This is given as the break-even quantity that's already found as 200,000 units. Then you multiply by the selling price. The selling price is also given as 10 shillings. Therefore, this gives me 200,000 multiplied by 10 shillings. This gives me 2 million shillings as my break-even sales. So at the point where I am having revenue, total revenue equal to total cost, that is when I will get the sales as 2 million shillings. The last question says, find the quantity to be sold in order to earn a profit of 200,000. In order to earn a profit of 200,000. From our past discussion, we say that the profit is given as total revenue minus total cost. That is something we know. Then the total revenue will be given as the quantity into bracket S minus V. Then you minus the fixed cost. Then fixed cost is the F. Okay, then this is our profit. So we want to get the quantity at which we shall break even and also make another additional profit of 200,000. When you break even, there's no profit. Then on top, you add a profit of 200,000. The profit is given. The selling price is known, variable is known, fixed is known. We only need to get the Q, and so we make Q the subject like this. Now Q will become the fixed cost plus the pi divided by S minus V. From our past study on algebra, so we shall get our quantity to be the 800,000. You add the profit required, that's 200,000, then you divide by S minus V is 10 minus 6, and that's 4. So we shall get our quantity to be sold to make the 200,000 profit to be 1 million. We divide by 4, and that gives us 250,000 units. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.